As expected and as predicted 4 hours back in our Asia and Europe session analysis, gold and silver both have traded bearish for the day, where gold has achieved already 2348 and silver has also moved towards 2750. The support levels here. Now, can we expect gold and silver to trade further bearish? Can we expect it to erase the gains for the last few days, or there is a possibility of a bounce back and a reversal, and again we can see the bullish momentum? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit today with the US session? We will see with the help of charts and indicate. This is the second update for the day. Those who had watched the first update must have already profited. Thus subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get the twice a day updates and targets. You can also join the free Telegram channel for live updates. Join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. And do like, share, and comment, friends. As much as you share, as much as you like is a great motivation and a support for the channel. Let's start. First, we'll look into gold, followed with silver. Watch. Earlier in the day for gold, I have mentioned to sell at 2364.65, and we can look forward to 2350 as the first target. Is precisely achieved the targets. Now, if you look at the hourly chart, see it is coming out of the box here. It was trading in this box for a while, and now it has come out of this. This is definitely a move which is much awaited and which can take the prices much lower. Now, if you look at the prices on the upside, now 2364.65, which was the support earlier, is now going to be the resistance for the gold. It has to break beyond 2364.65 in order to confirm a reversal, which can take the prices again towards 2372.74 zone. Else, it is still not to be treated for a buy. At least right now on the hourly charts, it is giving a breakout here, which means it can try to sustain on the downside for a while. MACD divergent and bearish, RSI and stochastic both looking downwards. Coming to 2 hour chart, likewise on the 2 hour chart, see the drop here, consolidation, and again a bearish move. So it suggests that it can follow up with couple of more bearish candles, taking the prices further lowers. What we can target towards? We can target towards 2340-42 zone as the first targets, which are definitely achievable levels. It can try to move towards this zone, and in fact below 2340 we can look forward to a further sharper drop. Be watchful for gold. I have drawn something. See, this was the sharp drop, then this was the retracement channel, and now it is coming out of it, which suggests that it can in fact take it to the lows, and thus you have to be very careful here with the buys. Moving average is also crossing over here. This is also a bearish sign here. If you look at the stochastic MACD, it is trading with divergence and bearishness. RSI looking down, and stochastic have come to oversold levels. Coming to 3 hour, likewise on the 3 hour chart, see the bearish move here, a bit of consolidation, a smaller candle, and now this is trying to give a breakout. This can be a bigger bearish candle here. This can try to move towards 2340-42 zone, and in fact we can look towards 2330 levels. Yes, it can be a sharper bearish candle. You have to be trading with caution. Only buying entry is about 2364.65. As long as 2364.65 is not taken, we have to be careful here. MACD divergent and bearish, RSI looking downwards, stochastic oversold here. Coming to 4 hour, likewise on the 4 hour charts, a step is created and it has given a breakout. It has achieved lower lows, trading outside Bollinger Bands. Also remember, this is a good support zone here at 2340-42, and thus we have to wait now for it to break below this zone in order to trade with further bearishness. Below 2340-42 zone, we can look forward to 2335 and then 2328-27 zone, which is achievable level here. Below that, sharper drop can be expected. Moving averages or MACD trading with divergence and bearishness, RSI looking down, stochastic is oversold. Coming to daily. Before we look into daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can be part of my 31st mentorship batch starting first week of May. Register yourself now. Equip yourself with the right tools, techniques, strategies, and the trade setups with the help of which you can identify profitable trades and trade profitably. Do not miss this opportunity. Register for the batch now. Also, you can be part of our signals channel where trading as per the signals you can benefit. Write an email or ping me on Telegram for any of your queries related to the service. And those who had asked me to recommend a broker where the spreads are lower, where you can save your money in terms of spreads, which offers a swap free account, again you can save your money there, and where the transactions and withdrawals are easier and hassle free. You can find the recommended broker link in the channel and video description. Now on the daily chart, see, we have been talking about, see, a curvature, a cusp is formed, and today it is giving a breakout here. It is trying to move towards 20 period moving average. Prices have been thus far trading with divergence from the 20 period moving average. It has to accomplish 20 period moving average at least, which is right now sitting at around 2330 levels, and which is also very good support. So first I will be looking forward to 2337-38 and then 2330 levels, which is easily achievable level here. because see the rise was bit gradual here, and yes, we have seen the rise as an extremely important or long bull run. Now this is the first time it is giving a breakout, and thus this breakout may continue here for a while. So it can be a sharper red bearish candle today, moving towards 2330 levels. Possibility exists. Today early in the morning in my Europe session update also I have mentioned very clearly, you can sell the rise, you can sell at around 2370, 73, 64. These all levels are selling entries. Now, if you look at the MACD here has crossed over, it is trading with divergence. It can continue to fall here, which means a greater drop can be expected. Look at the point from which it is coming. It is coming from a very higher levels and can continue to move down. RSI coming out of the overbought zone and stochastic is looking. Now, considering this, first of all, a selling entry I will recommend at 2342, where you can expect it to move towards 2337 levels. First target 2337-36 zone should be the first target. 2330 is the next, and if it breaks below 2330, straight trailing, we can look forward to a further bigger drop, taking it till towards 2324 and 2320 levels. Yes, it can erase most of the gains for last few days, coming towards this zone here, which is right now at around 23 24 25 or lower levels. So that is on the sell side. On the buy side, you can buy here at 2358 levels, but then 2364-65 is the first resistance, and if it stays above 2364-65, you can expect it to rise more. That is the only level above which I will expect it to bounce back. And how far it can bounce back, we can look forward to 2370, 71, 75, and then 78, 80 levels. Only and only if it stays above 78, 80, we can say that it is reversing. Chances for a complete reversal in gold today is almost negligible. So again, the higher you get the price, the better you can try to take a selling entry. That is what I will recommend. So take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. Silver on the early charts after the bearish move retracement, and then this big breakout here, it is turning bearish and it is trying to trade extremely bearish. It can take to the further lows. What it is trying to head towards it, 2740, 2760 is a very important support zone which it is already breached. So now it appears it is heading towards 2720 and $27 level. Be watchful, it can try to head lower further towards 2720, $27 levels. Important level is to watch out for 2740. If it breaks below 2740, we can expect further sharper drop here. Be watchful just at 2740. Likewise on the 2-hour charts, moving averages crossed over here, trading with divergence and bearishness. See, earlier in the day I have mentioned very clearly that once silver leaves below 28, 27, 80 levels, it is going to give you a sharper drop, and that is what has happened. It is once it has breached 27, 80, $28 levels, see, the move is definitely sharper, and it can be further sharp. See, the stronger the rise, the stronger could be the fall here. Thus we have to be careful here. And specifically below 2740, we can look forward to a more sharper fall which can take it towards 2720, 27 levels. MACD divergent and bearish, stochastic and RSI both have come to an oversold levels. Come to 3-hour chart. Likewise on the 3-hour charts, it has given a breakout here. It is continuing on the downside. We have to be careful as long as 2340 levels are not taken. More bearishness is only below 2340. I will end. Yes, a buying entry now is above 2380 levels. If you see silver trading above 2380, you can initiate a buying entry here. Expect it to move towards 2780. If you see it above 2780, you can buy for 28 and higher levels. MACD bearish, RSI and stochastic both dropping here. On the 4-hour charts, if you look at, see on the 4-hour chart, first of all, look at this candle and look at this candle. It has just started and it has lot much of downside to cover. If you consider the equal size of candle, which was from 2850 to 2770, which is almost of 80 cents of move, and if it drops from here 2780 levels, it can try to hit towards $27 levels if it gives the equal size of candle. 27 indeed is a very good support here on the downside. MACD is bearish, RSI is dropped, and stochastic is also trading bearish. Coming to daily. On the daily chart, see, one important thing has happened with silver today. It was trading with divergence. We were looking forward for it to hit 20 period moving average at least once, and finally after long wait, it has achieved the 20 period moving average. Interestingly, it has waited for moving averages to climb up a little towards 27, 40, 60 zone, which is definitely a good support zone. Now, if it trades below 27, 40 zone, we can look forward to a drop towards 2680 levels as well. Very Also, one must notice that this is the first breakout candle in silver today after a long time, and thus it can continue tomorrow as well, where we can look forward to further low. So if it tries to move towards $28 levels today, we can wait for a selling entry for tomorrow where it can try to take a further dip. Else today itself, if it drops below 2740, again we are looking forward to a sell here. See the MACD crossing over here at the top, trading with divergence, it can take the prices low. RSI looking down, stochastic looking down. Considering this, I will recommend a sell at 2740. When you see the higher prices below 2740, you can take a sell entry. 2720, 27 and 2680 are the three levels I will be looking forward to, and these are achievable levels. If it can rise strongly in a single day, the fall can be equally strong as well. Thus, do not think that we can look forward to a recovery and then only it is going to fall. It can continue to keep falling. If it trades below 23,740, more bearishness may observe. Now, on the upside, a buying entry I will recommend is at 2780 now. If you see silver at 2780, you can buy here for $28 levels, then 2820. 28 and 2820 is the hurdle, is the milestone it needs to break in order to stay bullish here. If it breaks beyond 28, then we can consider that it is reversing, else I will still not treat silver as bullish. So take your positions accordingly, like, share, subscribe and comment, join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for any of your queries. Do like, share and comment friends. Your every like, share and comment is a great motivation. Join the free Telegram channel as well. And do not miss to watch the everyday morning update with the Asia and Europe session which I release that sets the direction for the day. Thank you very much.